Hello everyone. Already we discussed how to create HackerRank account and also I explained how to complete 1 star in C language and also second star in C language. Now I want to explain how to complete 3rd star in C language on HackerRank platform. First of all, I have to open Google browser. Here, here, just we have to open hackerrank.com website. Now we have to log in into your HackerRank account with your Gmail ID. Now already, if you observe 2 stars completed, now I will explain how to complete 3rd star. Now just click on continue preparation. Now we have to check how many points required for next star. 40 more points required. So just we have to search for the how to get 40 marks. So now I want to explain pointers in program. Just you have to click on solve challenge. Now here question is simple. Now we have to declare a value and b value. So actually you can observe a value. So what is the a? A is in the sense variable. Suppose a is the variable. So this variable is stored at computer memory. The computer memory location is suppose 1000. Now what is the address of the a? 1000. What is the a value? Suppose a value is either 5 or 6 or anything. But what about this 1000? This 1000 is the address. Now, when you want to store this address of the variable, you can use another variable. Such variable is called pointer. What is the pointer? Pointer can store the address of the variable. Here, how can you say this address? Address is nothing but ampersand. Now here, what is that? Pointer variable A, pointer variable B. So the pointer variable A is stored the address of the A value. Pointer B stores the address of the B value. Now here, pointer indicates the address of the A value and also address of the B value. Here, pointer A is the stores the address of the A value. Pointer B stores the address of the B value. Already I am reading A value and B value. Now these two values are stored in pointer A and also pointer B. Now this pointer A and pointer B is applied to here. So this is the function. Now what is the output? We have to understand. So here, if we observe, if we enter 4 value, 5 value, what is the first value? First value is 9. 9 in the sense we have to add the A value, B value. You have to add the A value and B value. Now here we are printing A value first. So I want to add the A value, B value and store it in A. So pointer A equal to, here I want to write pointer A plus pointer B. Pointer A plus pointer B. Then what is the A value here? 4. What is the B value here? 5. 4 plus 5, 9. So first here I am printing A value. What is the A value? 9. So 9 will be printed. After printing the 9 value, /n in the sense the cursor is moved to next line. Now I want to print the B. Now I want to print the B value. B value here, percentage. So here pointer B. Pointer B equal to. Now I got. Now I want one value. How it is possible? What A contains? Now A contains 9. Now A contains what? 9. What B contains? 4. So first of all, just you have to write like that. So percentage, pointer A minus pointer B. Pointer A minus pointer B in the sense 9. What is the B value here? 5. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. Still, what is the answer? 1. Again, how to subtract another minus pointer B. Then what will happen? 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 in the sense minus 1. But here, what you have to print? One value. So here, how can you get the positive values? If you want to get the positive values, here you have to use math function. What is the math function? Hash include math.h. So we have to prefer one function name. Function name is what? Absolute, ABS. So the ABS function will give you positive results. In case if it is positive, it returns positive. In case if it is negative, it returns positive value. So this is the code. Now click on run code. So code is accepted. Now click on submit code. Then what will happen? Code is accepted. Code is accepted. Now we got 10 points. Now we have to go to C practice. Now again you have to practice for the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are very simple, but I will explain at the time of fourth star. Now we have to go for arrays concept. So 1D array in C. Now click on solve challenge. Now click on solve challenge. Here what is the question we have to understand? Here question is 6. Size is the 6. Now 16, 13, 7, 2, 1, 12. We have to read the 6 values in array. After reading the 6 values, what should you do? You have to print the sum of the integers. So first we have to declare the size. Suppose you have to declare the size n. So next declare the array. Suppose array size you have to mention, suppose some size is 1000. Now first what should you do? First of all, you have to read the size of the array. So scanf percentage d ampersand n. Now after reading the size, we have to store the values in array. How can you store the values? You can store the array values in index locations. So array index values are started from index 0. So for that, have to take the another variable. The another variable is I. So the array values are stored in 0 to n minus 1. So I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now, suppose if we enter n equal to 6, the array index values are started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is in the sense size minus 1. Now we have to store the values here. Before that, I want to take initially sum equal to 0 also. Sum equal to 0 also. Here, I want to, please all of you try to understand. Just I want to read the value in array. So scanf percentage d ampersand, please try to understand, ampersand array AR of I. What is the I value? 0. So that the first value is stored at 0 index location. What is the first value? 16. So the 16 is stored at the 0 index value. At the same time, no need to worry about that. Just inside itself, you have to store the value. So sum equal to sum plus AR of I. So what is the AR of I value? So AR of 0 value is what? 16. 16 initially sum value 0. 0 plus 16 what? 16. Next, I value is incremented to 1. Now again, read the next value at the 1 index location. What is the next value? The next value in the sense 13. So after reading the 13 value in array, again the 13 will be added to sum. So 16 plus 13 is what? 29. Again, I value is incremented to 2. I value is incremented to 2. So store the array value at the second index location. What is the second index location? 7. At the same time, you have to store the second index value 7 to sum. So initially sum value 29. 29 plus 7 is what? 36. Again, I is value incremented to 3. So store the value at the third index. What is the third index value? Third index value is 2. The third index value is what? 2. The 2 value will be added to 36. 36 plus 2 is what? 38. Again, I value is incremented to 4. What is the fourth index value? 1. The 1 value will be added to 38. 38 plus 1 what? 39. Again, I is incremented to 5. What is the fifth index value? 12. Again, the 12 value will be added to 39. 39 plus 12, 51. Now again, I is incremented, but there is no scope because the loop is terminated. Now after that, we have to print the sum value because what is the sum value? 51. So printf percentage d sum. Now run the code. So just I want to remove here and try to run the code. If the code is accepted, you will get congratulations message. Now the code is accepted. Now submit the code. So our code is accepted. If whenever our code is accepted, you will get the congratulations message. Once get the congratulations message, click on next challenge. What is the next challenge? Again, here, if you not understand everything, just remove everything. Now, here what is that program? Given array of size n, reverse it. So they are asking you to print the reverse of the array. Suppose if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they're asking you to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, how can you do that? We have to discuss. So return 0, suppose. Now, first, what are the requirements for declaring an array? Already we discussed for the before program. Just you have to declare n, comma I. Initially, you have to declare array. Suppose array is 1,000 elements. Suppose size is 1,000. First, what should you do? Here some format is given. First of all, you have to read the size. So how can you read the size? Scanf percentage d ampersand n. So what is the array size? Array size is 6. So 6 in the sense the index values are started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first, what should you do? You have to call the loop from 0 to less than n. So I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now every time you have to read the value at the index locations. Percentage d ampersand AR of I. AR of I in the sense AR of 0. The first value is stored at 0 index location. The next value is stored at 1 index up to given value up to n minus 1. So first value is what? 16. So I equal to 0. So the first value is stored at the 16 index. So the first value is stored at 0 index location. Next I value is incremented to 1. Next again read the value at the 1 index. What is the next value? 13. So for next 13, next 7, next 2, next 1, next 12. So all the values will be added to array. Now, what is the program? They are asking you to print the values from the reverse order. So first they are asking you to print 12. So where is the 12 value? The 12 value is located at 5. How will you get the 5? Suppose if you observe the n value, what is the n value? 6. So if you call n minus 1, definitely you will get 5. So again, you have to read the array. What is the array? So now you have to write the for loop. The first I value is what? N minus 1. N minus 1 is what? N minus 1 is what? 5. Now I want to call the loop reverse order. I want to call up to 0. So for that, if you observe starting value, ending value. Now I want to call the values in reverse order. In reverse order in the sense, I have to use greater than symbol up to 0. So I greater than or equal to 0. Every time I want to decrement the value 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means I have to decrement the I value. So I minus minus. Now what is the first value? So first of all, I want to print printf percentage D. So every time I have to print the values with spaces. So space. Now I have to print the first value. What is the first value? First value 12. Where it is located? At 5. So already n minus 1 is what? 5. So here I want to write AR of I. AR of I in the sense AR of 5. AR of 5 means 12 will be printed. 12 will be printed with space. Then I is incremented to 4. What is the AR of 4 value? 1. So 1 will be printed. Again I is decremented to 3. AR of 2 value is what? Sorry, AR of 3 value is what? 2. Again I is decremented to 2. So AR of 2 value is what? 7. AR of 2 value 7. Next to 13. Next to 16. Next I value minus 1. Minus 1 greater than 0 false. So terminated from the loop. What is the output? 16, 13, 7, 2, 1, 12. So if you observe, what is the output? 12, 1, 2, 7, 13, 16. Here it is the input. Here it is the output. Let's see whether it is working or not. In case if it is working, this program will allow you to complete the third step. Let's see whether it is working or not. Just I want to click on run code. Run code. Now my code is accepted. Now I want to click on submit code. Now if all the test cases are passed, we will get the third star. So I request all the students should complete third star with these programs. Thank you. Thank you all of you. I will upload fourth star very soon.